Hey everybody, how's it going? So right now we're going to In-N-Out and then we're gonna go to the mall. So that's my sister over there. Say hi right here in real life. Yeah, that's her. Liz Beauty X from Limeplay. You guys could add her. She'll add you back. Look at our mother. Look at our mom. Mama! Come back! Come back to us now. So we're here at In-N-Out and we're really hungry. Vlogging. Okay, so this is my food, and then I got a strawberry shake. Hey everybody, so we're at the mall right now. I want to buy some more clothes, so we came back. I'm chasing my sister. Look at me chase her. I'm chasing you. Why are you running away from me? Let's chase mom together. Chase her! I can't, I'm so full. Mama, wait for us. We were chasing you. I like this sign from Claire's. It says, always see the glass half full, and I really liked it.
Oh my god, the minion stuff, I love it.
So I just found the sweater I was looking for. We were trying to find my sister, but we don't know where she's at. Do you guys see her? Oh, she's over here. I spotted her. She's right there. What did you find? You found that? Oh, that's cool. I found some stuff too. I'm gonna try them on. So my sister wants to go into Charming Charlie. That's so you.
Oh my god, this is so mean.
So we're outside and we're relaxing, and my sister's happy because she got the purse of her dream. Hi mama. I'm with my mama and I love her so much. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. This shirt right here. It's like a thicker texture, so it's like, yeah, it's awesome. I got this one and I love it because it's pastel blue. And it says anywhere but here. But yeah, that's what I got so far. My sister and my mom are inside there. Look at them. Oh my god, let's go through the tunnel. Look, you can even buy the wig. So we're in Sweet Factory right now, and I'm gonna get a bag of candy. We're outside and this is how the theater looks, and it looks amazing. That fountain though, it looks really cool. So I'm with my mama and my sister, and we're gonna eat candy. What did she get? Or she got like, so it's like apple rings with like chili pepper on it, and then I got like a bunch of like fruity candy. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!